Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to session 18 of our literary essay unit on writing. Today our theme is developing distinct lines of thought. Let's suppose that I had some string that needed to be used to hang a few things in the classroom, but it seemed to be so tangled up that I couldn't get them untangled. Hopefully you could help me out. What are some tips you might have for untangling the string? I think one of the first things people that try to untangle a set of string that's tangled together would be to find at least one, if not both, ends of the string. Once you find an end to the string, you should be able to gradually unwind the string. Well, I ask you to do this because you are going to need to do some untangling with your writing as well. Today I'm going to talk to you about how sometimes your writing is like a tangled knot of thoughts twisted together. The way that you loosen the tangle of strings might also be the way you loosen your writing. Perhaps you need to separate lines of thinking to give each line of thinking a bit more air, a bit more space, if you will. Now I'm telling you this because we have a lot of people who smush together brilliant ideas so close together that they almost don't make sense. Remember, each of your supporting ideas needs to be developed with evidence and examples. That's getting to the heart of what we will be working on today. Today, some of you will work to loosen the tight knots if ideas on your paper, perhaps copying over a sentence on a fresh page, then elaborating on it, then copying another. Others of you have other work to do on your essay. Well, once you have a plan for your work today, I want you to head off to work. What I'm going to assign you to do today for our writing here in session 18 is to take what you did yesterday, the two comparison stories that you've been working on that you chose, and I want you to develop further the ideas that are in the stories. Yesterday I asked you to put 3 similarities and 3 differences. But I want you to dig deeper, elaborate more, untangle the knotted parts of our story or paragraph that you've been writing, and develop it further. The title of our session, Developing Distinct Lines of Thought, means that I want you to work even more. And so I want you to analyze what you did yesterday. Take those ideas from your journal and try to elaborate or make it stronger as a paragraph and really even as a page of writing. You can do this. I want you to work hard at it. Good luck, and let's get started.